Today we shall learn how to copy an angle by using compass. Here the question is, draw angle ABC equals to 100 degree by using protractor. Now draw another angle, angle PQR, which is equals to angle ABC equals to 100 degree by using compass. That means we have to copy this angle, that is angle ABC equals to 100 degree, and we have to name that copied angle, angle PQR. So let's see how to draw this. So first of all, angle ABC of measurement 100 degree is drawn by using protractor. Now let's see how to copy this angle by using compass. So first of all, we have to take this scale, and with any arbitrary measurement, a line segment is to be drawn. Here we know that the copied angle should be angle PQR. So that's why this particular segment will be named as QR. Okay. Now it is clear to us that at this vertex Q, at this point Q, we have to draw this angle, that is angle PQR of measurement 100 degree. So let's see how to draw this. First of all, we have to take this compass, right? Now, taking B as center and with a certain radius, make sure students, this radius must be such that it is less than the length of AB and BC. With this particular radius, an arc is drawn. Okay. Let these 2 points at which this arc cuts AB as well as BC are X and Y respectively. Here I am using pen to make the photo clear. You all are requested to use pencil only in any geometrical construction. Now with the same radius, that is the radius by which this particular arc taking B as center has been drawn, taking Q as center, an arc is drawn. Okay. So here, first of all, taking B as center with any certain radius less than AB and BC, an arc is drawn, and with the same radius taking Q as center, another arc is drawn. Let this arc cuts QR at the point T, right? Now, again take the compass, take the measurement of the length of XY by compass. Now, taking T as center and with this particular radius, draw an arc which cuts the previous one at a fixed point. Let's name this point as S. Now, join Q and S. Join Q and S and extend it up to P. So here angle PQR is copied from angle ABC of measurement 100 degree. So here we get angle ABC was 100 degree, and at the same time the copied angle means angle PQR is also 100 degree. So hence the construction is done. Now we have to write down the justification. So angle ABC equals to angle PQR equals to 100 degree, and hence the construction is done. Now we shall learn how to draw angle ABC equals to 45 degree by compass, and then here we have to bisect it after drawing. So let's see how to draw angle ABC equals to 45 degree, that is of any angle of measurement 45 degree, by using compass. So first of all, we have to take the scale, and with this scale, a line segment of any arbitrary measurement is to be drawn. Let's name this segment as BC. Okay. Now take your compass and set any certain radius. Okay. With this suitable radius, take B as center and draw an arc so that it cuts the base BC at a fixed point. Let's name this point as capital P. Now, with the same radius, this radius should not be changed. With the same radius, take P as center and draw another arc such that it cuts the previous one at a fixed point. Let's name this fixed point as Q. Now with the same radius, take Q as center and draw another arc so that it cuts the first arc at another fixed point. Let's name this point as R. Now with the same radius, take Q as center, draw an arc on that side of RQ arc, which is just opposite of this particular point, fixed point B. And on the same side with the same radius, take R as center and draw another arc. Now this point of intersection should be joined with B and will be extended. Okay, let's name this as X. So here we have found XBC, a particular angle which is of measurement 90 degree. Now look students, we need angle ABC which is of measurement 45 degrees. So if we bisect this particular angle, then we are going to get 45 degree. So here the process of angle bisection will be now followed. Now let that this segment, that is this arm of right angle, cuts this arc, the first arc what was drawn taking B as center with any suitable arbitrary radius at the point S. Okay. Now we have to bisect this particular angle, that is angle of measurement 90 degree to get 45 degree. So here we have to take first P as center and with any radius which should be just more than the length of SP, an arc is to be drawn on that side of SP which is opposite to the point, that is vertex B. Now with the same radius taking S as center, another arc should be drawn on the same side. Let these two arcs intersect each other at a fixed point. Let's name this point as O. Join B and O. Join B and O and extend it up to A. And hence, the required angle means angle ABC of measurement 45 degree is obtained. Now, 45 degrees is drawn by bisecting, that is by dividing into two equal parts, the angle XBC which was of measurement 90 degree. Okay. Now we have to bisect this angle, means angle ABC which is of measurement 45 degrees. So let's see how to do this. Let this arm of angle ABC, means arm AB, cuts the first arc at a fixed point. Let's name this point as D. So now we have to take D as center to bisect angle ABC, and with the radius more than half of DP, an arc should be drawn on that side of the arc DP which is opposite to the vertex B. Now with the same radius taking P as center, another arc should be drawn on the same side. Now let these two arcs intersect each other at U. Now B and U are joined. B and U are joined and extended up to Y. So here BY is the bisector of angle ABC which is of measurement 45 degree. So here angle ABC equals to 45 degree is drawn by bisecting angle XBC of measurement 90 degree. YB or BY is the bisector of angle ABC equals to 45 degree. So here we get angle ABY equals to angle YBC equals to 45 by 2 means 22.5 degree. So here you can see, just by applying the concept of drawing the bisector of an angle, we have drawn angle 45 degree, ABC 45 degree by using compass, and then again by using the same concept we have bisected angle ABC of measurement 45 degree, and thus we have got this two equal parts, angle ABY and angle YBC, which were of measurements 22.5 degree, and hence the construction is done.